Dito kami sa school ni Ine. Naggaya siya eh. Pero sarado na. Hindi masarap. Ano ba? Wala na school. Wala lang klase. Pero open yung playground sa public. Ayun na, antay si Daddy. Ito yun ah. Oo, Nene, mataas na ikaw. Oh. Ay, dahan-dahan. Ha? Dito ka naglalaro pagka break time. Pag recess. Sarap pala din mag-basketball. Magagamit ko na aking bola. Ay. Daming ring ah. Sa hapon pagka wala ng klase mga bata. Sarap din yung maglaro dito ng basketball. Patag eh. Ganda na school ni Nene oh. Parang granhala. Oh, meron pa silang ano dito oh.
Hopscotch?
Hopscotch. Ano tawag diyan Nene?
Hopscotch.
Ah, hopscotch. Akala ko yung piko. Oh, gayon pala yun.
Nobody is faster than me.
Ma, mabilis ikaw. Ikaw pinakamabilis.
Wanna see?
Sige nga, pakita mo nga sa Daddy. Aba, ang bilis nga.
But the certain direction might be slow, okay?
Ang tawag diyan Nene ay piko.
Well, in English we call it hopscotch.
Ah, hopscotch gayo. Eh, social naman ang iyo
Want me
eh.
to see?
Oh, sige nga, isa pa nga ikaw. Magpiko ka nga na isa pa.
Fast or slow or normal?
Normal lang, normal. Abnormal. Oh. Ala, bilis yung normal lang. Yung
Not normal. I didn't know that speed.
siya, sige. Oh, yun, dito tayo. Si Daddy ay bukas, dadalhin ko aking basketball. Magbabasketball si Daddy dito.
I can also try.
O, sige.
Practice.
Tayong dalawa.
Yep.
Ha?
I can practice.
Dapat ang practice mo yan, no? Yung bisikleta mo.
I want to hula hoop.
Para ikaw eh.
Hula hoop, jump rope.
Hindi. Dapat mag-practice ka na mag-bike. Para marunong ka mag-balance. Hindi yung...
Looks like I wanna know.
Ha?
I don't wanna know.
Anong ay dumana na? Hindi mo... Ayaw mo matuta?
Daddy.
Hmm. Oh.
Can I please?
Ano ga?
Can I please
Ano
go
ba?
into the tub?
Tab na naman eh. Doon ka mag-aral kang maligong mag-isa.
At the how?
Ano ba't how? Eh di... Yung tinuro ni mama mo.
I don't wanna today.
Bakit?
Are you recording me?
Hindi.
Show me.
Oo. Ito, mayroon pa rin silang mapa dito. Oh. May mapa ng US. Nene, nasan din ang California? Ha? Aba, alam eh? Alam mo yung California?
I don't know the map.
Ang Nevada nasaan? Are, yan. Ito.
Here?
Yan, yellow, Nevada yan.
They connect each other.
Oo. Ayun, isa tayo na.
Okay. Maybe
Oo.
you care for me if I get hurt.
Abay, siyempre naman.
But tell me, why do you always care for me?
Abay, siyempre ikaw aking anak kita eh. Lagi pabayaan ko.
Am I recording?
Hindi.
Girl, I can see you. I can see both.
Hindi nga kita nire-record. Ikaw ka nasa camera. Hindi na record ko.
But they can still hear me.
Hindi ah.
What voice do they
Ito,
focus on?
pang sabi ni Nene, pang kinder daw ito.
And that.
Pati ito, pang
So
kinder.
much fun to play in.
Ah, kaya maliit eh. Oh, ganda ng kailang damo dito. Oh.
I finally get to walk.
Green na green, no? Basa. Ba't kaya basa?
That's who cares? Slow. How slow school was.
Ah, sige nga. Ganyan kabagal ang school?
Yeah.
Bakit naman ganun kabagal?
You'll see. And then math was, but then art.
Mas mabilis ang art.
Recess.
Mabilis.
Lunch when we were eating.
Ah,
This lunch when we were eating.
sige nga.
And then this is the playtime. Which way do we go? And then this was like quiet time.
Mm.
It's where we could do anything we want, but the teacher was reading a book to us.
Ah.
Quiet time we could also finish reading.
Pag quiet time, pwede matulog.
No,
Bakit?
I don't know.
Quiet time eh.
Quiet time goes like kind of slow and fast. So
Mm.
it's medium. Medium is like
Mabagal din na reading? Oh. Tapos, ano sunod sa reading?
that's like this is after eating. Start time.
Mm.
Start time was this for me. Whoops. And packing up,
Ah.
quick dismissal,
Dismissal mabilis. Ah. Yan.
and that's how school went.
Ano?
I forgot the other subject.
Aha.
We also had a morning meeting.
Yung morning meeting kaya?
Yeah, I felt like it was the worst.
Anong sinasabi niyo sa morning meeting?
Any type of hellos.
Hellos.
Yeah, the options are namaste.
Namaste?
Yeah,
Ano namaste?
like hi.
Ah, kaya.
Yeah.
Ah,
Hello.
English yun.
Aloha.
Aba,
Hola.
ano pa? May Tagalog.
No. Wait, there's a way to say hi in Tagalog?
Kamusta?
Oh. That's how are you?
O nga no. Hi. Sa Tagalog yata ang hi sa ano ay hoy. O nga no, ano nga hi sa Tagalog? Parang hoy. Hoy, ano ga? Yun, nene, sabihin mo sa teacher mo. Hoy, ano ga?
What does that mean?
Hi.
And what does the full sentence mean?
Hoy, ano ga?
What does that mean?
Hey, what's up? Okay,
Wait, what?
Hoy, ano ga?
But that's a hard word to say.
Hindi, hard word ka. Dali. Hoy, ano ga?
How do you spell hoy?
H-O-Y.
I thought it was H-O-I.
Hindi, H-O-Y. Tapos
Or like boy.
sabihin mo sa teacher mo ha. Ay, Mrs. Dalton. Huy. Ang Tagalog po ng hi ay ano. Hoy, ano ga ha? Para yung mga kaklase mo matuto rin ha.
I didn't know when I teach my classmates. I am not a teacher. And
Hindi nga sabihin mo nga kay Mrs. Dalton. O ano ka
I
nila.
will never tell.
I-email ko na lang.
You can tell her. And the meeting.
Sa meeting?
Yes.
Sige. Sabihin ko, ang Tagalog ho ng hi ay, hoy, ano ga? Gayon, ha?
Tell her the English meeting, okay?
Yes.
Not meeting, meaning.
Meaning?
Yeah.
Okay, sige. Kami uuwi na. Uuwi na kami. At hapon na. At si Nene ay maliligo pa sa shower. Hindi sa bathtub. Teka, may tae pala din. Sino kaya din?
No, it's tied on the ground. You do not want to touch it.
Kung yata na yun yung tumae din yan eh.
Wait, what did you say?
Ikaw ang tumae.
Am I a dog to you?
Hindi.
What
Dog gayon o baka kambing.
Or maybe it's a loose chicken pooping out its eggs that are made out of tumble of it.
Sino ba akong tae?
Kuya.
Si Kuya, hindi ka ikaw.
No, just kidding. It is
Sino?
the ground.
The ground.
Yeah.
Ay nene, may bago ng bahay ito na. May bagong lipat na. Oh.
They just moved.
Mhm.
That's so disrespectful. So disrespectful. They're still there? Daddy, I expected them to be gone.
Bakit?
I don't want to play with them. Except as long as it has Lily.
Tayo malapit na. Maligo ka na sa shower, ha, nene?
No,